Welcome to the Bacon Lowdown. Today we will be making vegan ketchup.
Making homemade ketchup from the Make It Head Vegan Cookbook. Once again, that's what it looks like. Super easy. It says just to mix everything together, and that's it. This is gonna make about 8 ounces of ketchup. Should last you in your fridge for about 3 weeks, and I think in the freezer for 5 to 6 weeks. So let's just throw it all in the bowl and get it done. You're gonna take a 12-ounce can of tomato paste, empty it out into a decent sized bowl. You're gonna add in your ½ cup of apple cider vinegar. I recommend a 1/4 cup instead because this came out very acidic. And then a ½ cup of water. You're gonna do a ½ teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon maple syrup, a teaspoon of dry oregano, ½ teaspoon of dry mustard, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic, and a 1/8 teaspoon of ground ginger, ground nutmeg, and ground black pepper. Time to taste.
Good. Yeah. There you go.
It's okay. A little too much apple cider vinegar though. I can really taste that. So I think maybe yeah, look at that face. You see that face?
That's sour.
It's a little sour.
That's
Too much
sour.
apple cider vinegar. I say cut it down to a 1/4 cup instead of a ½ cup, and it should be fine. It's a little too acidic, but it is easy to make. Till next time, have a sweet day.